In this module, we are going to talk about comparing free trade and protectionism. Free trade allows specialization of specific products. It lowers per unit costs due to mass production. Labor cost is reduced due to international recruitment. Economic situation of state is improved. Wealth accumulations happen. The industrialized world always try to promote this free trade because they are specialized in transforming raw material into finished good, and they take advantage out of it ultimately. Free trade in less developed countries. Job opportunities for unskilled workers, better standards of living, social equality is increased flow of goods and services in the developing countries, enabling to use scarce resources in efficient way. This is how free trade in the developing part of the world sometimes create opportunities. And now it depends upon the unskillful social capital of the developing world to grab those opportunities and work for it in future also. Workers are constrained to work in poor environment, high rates of corruption, environmental degradation, income inequality is increased due to more competition because industrialized world get cheaper labor from the developing part of the world, and they exploit them with long hours but with low wages. Benefits of protectionism: to protect domestic employment, to protect labor exploitation, infant industries are secured, promoting diversities in developing world, correcting balance of payment. This slide shows that how protectionism is beneficial for all, but unfortunately, owing to the efficient political system capabilities, developed part of the world takes more advantage out of this protectionism as compared to the developing world. Now, let's see what is the criticism usually done upon protectionism. They believe, the critics believe, that protectionism encourages inefficient industries. Consumers are at loss. National income is not distributed equally. Volume of foreign trade is reduced. Strained relations with other countries. Under the policy of protectionism, usually governments try to protect the local business and prefer the local goods or indigenously manufactured goods upon foreign goods. And sometimes it favors the inefficient industries at domestic level because the policy of protectionism emphasizes upon protecting the local business.